waiting for dinner. It's 9:45, but it's okay because I'm really hungry and I'm really excited for this food that we're gonna have. So, and the music's good. Today is day 8, and it's raining, but that's no surprise.
Hey, welcome to your Cheshire cheese.
I haven't done a lot of verbal updates lately. But we've had 2 very busy days here in London so far. We did a lot of stuff that you saw in all the clips, so I'm not going to list it all. But today we had a later start because we stayed out really late last night. We went to the War Museum, Imperial War Museum, and then we walked by St. Paul's Cathedral, and I took a really cliche picture with the telephone booth. And then for dinner we went to Ye Old Cheshire Cheese. It's a pub that I actually went to when I was here 12 years ago. So we took a picture sitting in the same booth, and that was really cool. There's like another part of the club. I'm probably not explaining this exactly right, but there's another part of the club, and there's like 2 parts to it. One's in London, and the other part is in Cleveland, Ohio, like literally where I'm from. So that's really cool. We also went and saw Hodge, the statue of Hodge, which is the cat of what's his name? Hold on. Hodge is the cat of Samuel Johnson, the guy who started dictionaries. So that was really cool to see that, because I also have a picture with that from 12 years ago. My sister and I were standing next to it. So if I can find the old picture, maybe I'll throw a side by side in the vlog. We're on day 8, I think this is, and I still have, 24 minus 8, like 16 more days to go, so, Dad just walked in on me vlogging. He just told me we're leaving at 8:30 tomorrow, so, yeah, I probably should go to bed. So, anyway, yep, that's an update. In line to get into the Westminster Abbey, and it is very long, and we have to pee, so we're going to try and find a bathroom maybe, but this is the line that we're standing in. Mexican, and it was really, really, really good. And now we're gonna go wait in line, and it's freezing, but it's okay. So there's the Elizabeth Tower, or what most people call Big Ben. But did you know that Big Ben is actually only the bell inside the tower? Fun fact. We're shoved in a train. It's fine. It's just a tad tight.
Just a little bit. It's okay.
And we have
Every time I think we can't fit more people. We fit more people. Today is very sad, but also very exciting. Right now I'm at London Heathrow Airport, and my family's headed home, so I don't get to see them for another 2 months, which is sad, but exactly 2 months from today, I'll be heading home to the US, and they'll be picking me up at the airport at home. So on another note, I am currently about to board my flight to Rome and meet up with my friends in Rome. So I've had a really good 10 days with my family, and now I'm about to go have another 2 weeks with my friends in Italy, Spain, and France.